Welcome to Cloudways. Are you ready to elevate your Magento store? In today's fast-paced digital world, your e-commerce platform needs a hosting solution that matches its power. That's where Cloudways comes in. Which is the best Magento 2 hosting provider in its comparison with other hosting solutions? Magento is one of the most popular CMS for millions of e-commerce stores worldwide. It offers out-of-the-box features that streamline the process from setting up an e-commerce store to managing your products without any major headaches. Many developers find that building an online store with Magento 2 is an efficient way to manage time, especially when they use the dedicated Magento 2 hosting environment. With all the benefits of Magento 2, finding reliable hosting is not easy. In this article, I'll describe the criteria for finding a reliable Magento 2 hosting and compare different Magento 2 hosting providers. Server uptime. It is time the server remains operational. It is impossible to expect that the server will remain operational 100% of the time, but having a guarantee of more than 95% uptime is a good place to start. Server uptime ensures that your Magento 2 store remains accessible at all times, and you don't miss any orders. Fast response time. Nobody likes to browse products in a slow and underperforming Magento store. Research shows that current standards deem a page load time of over 2 seconds unacceptable. A server with a fast response time increases the store conversion rate and builds trust among the customers. Server location. The location of your server plays a vital role in ensuring better SERP rankings, latency, and performance for your target audience. For example, if your Magento 2 store targets customers in the US, you should get a server in the US or nearby. This way, the data center is closer to the target audience, and they will experience fast page load time. Magento 2 security. Online security is a key concern for all business owners and customers alike. Therefore, always try to follow best practices of code implementation while developing your Magento store. The hosting platform is a concern, so ensure you have a dedicated firewall enabled on the servers to prevent any uncertainty. Find out more on how to secure your Magento store. Customer support. There's nothing more frustrating than seeing a server error and having to get in touch with your Magento 2 hosting provider's customer support team to resolve it. Not only will you lose sales, but you also risk losing SERP positions, which is the last thing you want. Always check if 24/7 customer support is available and if they have enough skills to promptly solve all queries related to Magento. Pricing plan. While considering any hosting plan, ensure that it provides you with the pay-as-you-go pricing plan. It's a feasible pricing plan where you only pay for the resources that you have used. Many Magento 2 hosting providers overcharge whether your server is functional or not. Avoid them at all costs. Server scalability. When selecting a solution for the best hosting for Magento 2, it is always good to look to the future. While current resources might appear to be adequate, let's say holiday season, your server may crash due to the lack of server resources. Thus, easy and fast server scalability is an essential requirement for Magento 2 stores. Got it? It isn't just Apple that has new things in store. At Cloudways, we have been busy too. Now that a new and transformed version of the Magento platform, Magento 2, is available, we can change how e-commerce is done. Magento will keep releasing new versions of Magento 2 in the coming years, and we at Cloudways will always strive to stay up to its level by providing a robust, e-commerce compatible, and easy-to-use managed Magento 2 hosting stack. While testing the new Magento 2 version, we did some cool experiments. We ensured that nothing breaks down, as this version of Magento platform is not an ordinary update. It is a complete overhaul. While Magento 1 was responsive, it was not perfect. This is where Magento 2 comes into play. It's a purpose-built e-commerce development solution based on HTML5 and CSS3. This version comes with a built-in, responsive theme named Luma, which looks fantastic in itself. For many, it can become their first ever theme without many customizations. In addition, the backend has been revamped. Gone are the days when you would be clueless about how to modify your shop. The backend of Magento 2 is amazingly comfortable, and you can easily generate various reports from it. You can also test the backend and check the performance of Cloudways platform by requesting a Magento demo store. Product and tax management is easy as well. Some of the features that were added in the form of extensions in Magento 1 are pre-integrated with Magento 2. The best thing about Magento 2 is its embedded cache mechanism. This means that your Magento 2 stores are performance optimized. Furthermore, on Cloudways, we have ensured Magento 2 runs blazingly fast. Steps to install latest Magento 2 version on Cloudways. SiteGround mostly focuses on shared hosting, which is not a recommended option for Magento site. On the other hand, their cloud solution price is almost 2x costly compared to Cloudways. SiteGround also lacks performance compared to Cloudways hosting, as Cloudways focuses on a dedicated cloud environment with advanced cache technologies like Redis, Varnish, and Memcache. Cache technologies. Advanced cache technologies are used to improve Magento 2 store's performance and decrease the page load time. Whenever a cached page is loaded, it does not need as much time and server resources, thus drastically improving the speed of your Magento 2 store. Make sure that the Magento 2 hosting solution you choose uses the most advanced cache technologies and methods to ensure the excellent performance of your Magento 2 store. Hostinger does not offer Magento on one-click installation. That means different compatible packages need to be installed and verified for Magento, and also the Magento store needs to be properly optimized for optimum performance. Whereas with Cloudways, all this stuff is already taken care of just through a click. Magento is the top-notch open-source e-commerce platform that is used widely for its flexibility and easy control. Merchants who want to adopt Magento need a hosting service suitable for their business's needs. A proper Magento hosting solution will enhance your website's performance and security while minimizing risks like server downtime. In this article, we've picked out the best Magento hosting providers to help you choose the right one. As you're looking for an e-commerce hosting solution for your Magento website, here are the criteria to evaluate a hosting plan. Compatibility. Check if the provider is compatible with Magento. Security. See whether the hosting solution is secure with a trustworthy method such as SSL certificates, IP whitelisting, dedicated firewalls, two-factor authentication, etc. Speed. Test the server's loading speed and its ability to handle overloads. Server location. Pick a server as close to your customers as possible to increase your site's loading speed. Support. The hosting provider should offer 24/7 support on technical issues. Cost. Evaluate the hosting cost in comparison with your total cost of the Magento website. Considering the above, we've shortlisted the top choices for Magento hosting, where each one excels in a specific aspect. Cloudways is another great choice as a Magento hosting provider for all kinds of users. It offers unique features for merchants, startups, agencies, and developers. Cloudways has its own speedy content delivery network to enable fast cloud hosting for Magento. It uses the optimized stack to ensure fast loading time for e-commerce Magento stores. Features. Cloudways offers 4 plans for both standard and premium versions with these features. A single server to launch unlimited Magento applications. Options to pick an infrastructure provider from DigitalOcean, Vultr, Linode, Google Cloud, or AWS. Track the health and performance of your server and application. Easy to install Magento. Easy backup process. Cloudways vertical scaling feature allows you to change your server's size via the GUI interface. Cloudways Thunder Stack helps improve the performance of server and application, which contains Nginx, Memcached, Varnish, Apache, New Relic, MySQL, PHP FPM, etc. Cloudways has strong security features to protect Magento online stores, including free SSL certifications, IP whitelisting, database security, firewall, application isolation, and two-factor authentication. Apart from the standard plan, other plans are equipped with the Object Cache Pro feature, which is a caching plugin that alleviates the load on your database and server hardware, allowing you to deliver queries faster and speed up your applications. A dynamic montage of satisfied users and high-performing Magento stores. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Like the video with a thumbs up icon. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and updates. Subscribe with a subscribe button. Leave a comment below with any questions or feedback. We'd love to hear from you.